In 2025, the job market is tougher than ever. AI is taking over. Industries are shifting and traditional jobs are disappearing fast. The question is, are you ready for the future or will you be left behind? The world of work is evolving faster than ever. In 2025, companies aren't just hiring degrees, they are hiring skills. And if you want to land a high paying job or build a thriving business, you need to master the skills that matter. Hi, I'm Jyoti Pandey, and we are here with another video that will help you prepare and understand career opportunities you have for 2025. Today, we'll break down 5 high paying skills that will dominate the job market in 2025. We'll also talk about why these skills matter, how to start learning them, and what opportunities they open up for you. So stick around till the end because these ones are important. Before we dive in, hit the like button and subscribe if you are ready to get to know about those high paying skills for 2025. Let's get started. If AI doesn't take your job, someone who knows how to use AI definitely will. But here's the thing, you don't need to be an AI engineer to take advantage of this technology. The key is learning how to use AI as tool to automate workflows, improve efficiency and enhance decision making irrespective of which field you are in. Here is how you can start. If you are into coding, start learning the AI programming languages like Python, Java and Julia. If you are a non-tech professional, AI tools like ChatGPT, DeepSeek and Claude can significantly enhance your productivity and help you in content creation, automation and problem solving. This year, AI consulting is going to become a lucrative career as businesses increasingly seek to integrate AI into their operations. The demand for experts who can guide this transformation is on the rise. To excel in AI consulting, a deep understanding of AI and machine learning algorithms is essential. Proficiency in programming languages such as Python or R, experience with AI frameworks like TensorFlow or PyTorch, and a solid grasp of data analysis and modeling are crucial. Even without a technical background, you can thrive in AI consulting by focusing on strategic application of AI. Developing a strong understanding of AI concepts and their business implications is the key. Skills with project management, change management, and strategic planning are valuable as they allow you to oversee AI initiatives effectively. With great digital power comes great digital threats. Who is protecting your data? As our world becomes more digital, we are facing a growing number of cyber threats. According to Cybersecurity Ventures, global cybercrime damages are projected to reach $10.5 trillion annually by 2025. This noticeable figure highlights the crucial need for skilled cybersecurity professionals to safeguard the sensitive information and maintain trust in digital systems. Here is how you can start. Enroll in Google Cybersecurity Certification. This program will offer a comprehensive introduction to the field covering essential topics like network security, threat detection, and incident response. Pursue ethical hacking through CEH courses. The Certified Ethical Hacker certification provides in-depth knowledge of hacking tools and techniques, enabling you to think like a hacker. Engage with platforms like TryHackMe or Hack the Box. These interactive platforms offer hands-on lab and challenges that stimulate real-world scenarios, allowing you to practice and hone your skills in the controlled environment. A demand for cybersecurity experts is accelerating across all sectors. Organizations are spending a lot in strong security measures to protect their data and systems. This trend indicates a promising and dynamic career path for those entering the cybersecurity field. By acquiring the necessary skills and certification, you can significantly impact the fight against cyber threats and help create a safer digital world. No marketing equals no business. Digital marketing is how companies survive in 2025. Businesses thrive on visibility, and that is why digital marketers are always in demand, even in the age of AI. 2025 is shaping up to be an exciting and transformative year for digital marketers. New technologies and platforms are reshaping how brands connect with the audience, and the pace of change shows no sign of slowing. If you want to build a successful career in marketing, this is the right time to start. Learn and explore different kinds of marketing and understand which of these marketing strategies would be the best one to reach out to your audience. This skill will help you stand out in the competitive job market. The current digital marketing landscape offers a plethora of specialized career paths. Besides SEO, email marketing, and social media marketing roles, here are some of the marketing roles that are currently in demand, and you should start upskilling for the same right away. Performance marketing managers are responsible for developing and executing campaigns that are directly tied to measurable outcomes, such as lead generation or sales. If you want to build a career in performance marketing, enroll in courses focused on digital advertising and analytics and gain hands-on experience with PPC campaigns. Growth marketing managers focus on the entire customer journey, aiming to acquire, engage, and retain customers through innovative strategies. If you want to transition to a growth marketing role, take courses in data analytics and customer psychology and develop a strong understanding of the sales funnel and customer lifecycle. Influencer marketing managers collaborate with influencers to enhance brand visibility and credibility. Learn about social media trends and influencer landscapes. Develop negotiation and communication skills. Familiarize yourself with marketing analytics tools that can help you track influencer campaign performance. With the rise of voice-activated devices, optimizing content for voice search is becoming increasingly important. Voice search optimization specialist ensures that a brand's content is easily discoverable through voice queries, requiring a deep understanding of natural language processing and SEO techniques tailored for voice search. Focusing on a holistic customer journey, CX specialists analyze and improve all touchpoints between consumer and the brand. They utilize consumer feedbacks and data analytics to enhance satisfaction and loyalty, ensuring a seamless and positive experience across all channels. As the digital landscape continues to expand, the demand for skilled digital marketers is expected to grow. Businesses are increasingly investing in online strategies to reach their audiences, creating ample opportunities for professionals in this field. By developing the right expertise in digital marketing, you can position yourself to play an important role in helping business navigate the complexities of online marketplace. Data is the new gold. Are you mining it? Organizations are currently dealing with an overwhelming amount of data but often lack the expertise to interpret it properly. This is where data scientists and analysts play a crucial role. Here's how you can start. Learn Python and SQL for data analysis. These programming languages are fundamental for data manipulation and querying databases, essential skills for any aspiring data analyst. Take IBM's Data Science Professional Certificate. This comprehensive program provides a solid foundation in data science, covering topics like data visualization, machine learning, and data analysis techniques. Get hands-on experience with Tableau and Power BI. Proficiency in these visualization tools enables you to create interactive dashboards and reports, facilitating better decision-making through clear data representation. If you are from a non-technical background, transitioning into data analytics is still achievable. Enroll in introductory courses. Platforms like Coursera and edX offer beginner-friendly courses in data analysis that don't require prior programming experience. Focus on data visualization. Understanding how to interpret and present data visually can be a valuable skill even without deep technical expertise. Leverage domain knowledge. Apply data analysis techniques within your field of expertise to provide insights and drive informed decisions. By developing these skills, both technical and non-technical professionals can harness the power of data to drive strategic decisions and add significant value to their organizations. Having the right UI and UX design is important to capture and retain user attention. That's why UI UX designers are always in demand. Here's how you can start. Learn Figma, Adobe XD, and Sketch. These industry standard design tools are essential for creating visually appealing interfaces. Mastering them will enable you to bring your design concepts to life effectively. Take Google's UX Design Certificate. This comprehensive program offers in-depth knowledge of UX principles, research methodologies, and design processes, providing a solid foundation for aspiring designers. Start designing for real businesses or startups. Gaining practical experience by collaborating with actual clients help you to understand user needs and business goals, allowing you to create designs that are both user-centric and align with brand objectives. By immersing yourself in these learning paths and seeking real-world experience, you can develop the skills necessary to create standout design that meet the demands of today's competitive app market. So that is it. We have just explored 5 high-paying skills of 2025 that will shape the future of work. From AI and cybersecurity to digital marketing and UX design. These skills aren't just trends. They are the building blocks of a successful career in the digital age. But here's the thing, knowing these skills isn't enough. The real game changer is taking action. Start learning, experiment with real-world projects, and build a portfolio that showcases your expertise. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do not forget to check out the description where you will find links to all the courses mentioned in this video. Whether you are switching careers, upskilling, or starting fresh, the best time to invest in yourself is now. See you in the next one. Bye.